Okay, hello everyone. So in last video we had done 3 exercises. So now how to continue that exercises? Okay. So the exercises like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to do till the 12th fret. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to skip first fret and start it from second fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again skip second fret, started from third fret. So all the process will be same. Like so when your fourth finger will reach in the 12th fret, then you have to start from again from the first fret. Okay. So okay. So second is now the exercises which you had done in the last video 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to do all over the strings. Like you have to start it from the top string, like sixth string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Another exercise is which you that first the exercises which you had did in the last video, that first count is open string, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this exercise is also you have to do on the all the strings, like okay. And all the exercises you have to do from the top as well as from the bottom, from the top to bottom, bottom to top. Okay. Okay, next exercise is like the exercises 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to do on the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th fret, like 5th fret, 6th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Same exercises. Difference is only that you are doing in the started from the 5th fret. Okay, like 5th fret, 6th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret. Okay. Now another exercise is that you have to reverse the exercise, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to do 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Okay. And for the third and fourth finger, there is also one exercises, like you have to play started from the third finger in the third fret, like third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth. Okay. And when you are doing reverse, you have to start it from the fourth, like fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third. Okay. Now another exercise is like you have to do in a like in different variation, like 1, 3, 2, 4. Means first you have to start it from the index finger, like 1. Then you have to play a third fret, use your third finger. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Means 1, 3, 2, 4. Now you have to do in all the strings, like 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay.